Look at this lemon, guys. Look at that. Lots of flowers. Lots of flowers. It's a citrus. It's this is lemon. Because I just harvest the lemon from here. And then there's more flowers. So lemon is a very good tree to grow indoors because it continues flowering. So let me get, this is the lemon, the one it's from here. So this is the last harvest, and then flowers there, so will be more lemon. So I'll be getting more lemon soon. It's so nice, and also the flowers smells nice. They are opening, and it's only in a small pot. So this is 12 centimeter pot. So I grow this indoors.